Hello, we're here for Hyperia's opening day. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
First time you've seen it, actually.
I know, it is.
It looks ridiculous. I can't wait. We can't see it. Well, first public train. Hey!
Attention to all those in Fearless Valley. In a zipped pocket or place in the store.
Get here 2.5 hours before the park opened, but still, we're a bit tired, a bit bored. Review in a bit once we've gathered our thoughts, but what just happened? What, like, I can't comprehend what what happened. Mac, are you okay? Right, so we've had food and a bit more time to think about Hyperia.
I've got merch on.
Oh, we've got your merch on. What do you think?
I think it's going to be my new number one, but obviously I need to ride it again.
Yeah, I'm not decided yet. I'm still, yeah, I mean, it was ridiculous. It was very, very good, but it's got competition in my top, and I don't really know where it sits, so we need another ride, but you're making me go sore now, so I'll probably cut back to next time we go on Hyperia. We're back for round 2. So we've just had our final ride of the day, Hyperia back row. Out of body experience.
Absolutely.
I don't think I'm going to emotionally recover from that. You're new number 1.
Yeah.
You're new number 1. Stealth, yeah. But I don't know. You'll find out where I rank it soon. But that was ridiculous. What do you say? Hyperia vlog. Yep.
I'm riding.
Ride it.
So I just wanted to include a little bit of a review of Hyperia at the end of this video. I have to say the whole event was really well put together for opening day. Just the ride itself is genuinely stunning. I'm completely in love with it. The first drop is mental, especially on the back. It's easily the best first drop I've ever experienced. The amount of hang time from the stalls you get is fantastic. That outer bank twist thing there might be one of my favourite elements on a coaster, definitely top 3, and I really don't know where Hyperia sits in my top. You'll have to find out when I do my top 25 videos soon, but it's just absolutely ridiculous. It is the perfect coaster for Thorpe Park, it fits in so well. I cannot wait to get back to ride it, and I just absolutely love it. All the elements it's got are really unique. Yes, it is a short ride, but it packs such a good punch. I don't think it needs any more, it's just perfect the way it is. People are saying it has a tiny bit of a rattle, and I'm inclined to agree towards the front of the train. My back row towards the end of the day was buttery smooth, I had no problems. And yeah, I just absolutely love the ride, that's all I have to say about it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next vlog.